Hello, good evening, guys. I trust we're all doing great. Please, if you can hear me, kindly type in a 111 on the chat box so I will know that you guys can hear me and also can see my screen. All right. All right. I welcome you guys here to our weekly analysis. I don't know the pairs I'll be trading this week yet because we're analyzing together. So last week, we can clearly see some of the pairs we called that actually went to our direction, the likes of AUD USD, likes of AUD USD. I don't know why this is not loading. AUD USD actually hit our profit on Friday, I guess. I wanted to show, but I don't know why this is not loading. Let me try this. See if it will load up here. The network is really bad lately, both MTN, Airtel. Okay, I think it's coming up. All right. So dropping down to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see. Before I go down to the 1 hour time frame, we can clearly see that price respected our weekly fair value gap. So hold on, let me go back to the daily. Price respected our weekly fair value gap here. Weekly fair value gap actually missed this first drop here. I think that was last 2 weeks. Actually missed this first drop. Now, when price took out this external range liquidity here, we have a fair value gap here on the daily time frame. So dropping down to the 1 hour time frame, let's see. Now here on the 1 hour time frame, price gave an SMT here, also breaking structure to the downside, leaving a fair value gap here. You can clearly see price came back to it, reversed, and finally dropping. So before coming back to our entry again, but we've already closed our positions from here. All right, and also gold. And also gold during either London session analysis or the New York session analysis, I was explaining something on gold. I think I saw that from the 4 hours. Okay, here. Then this happened during the day of CPI. So you guys, I think either during London session or during New York session. Now price, this move is actually CPI price coming back here and going down to 15 minutes. So this is an easy one is to 2. The price giving an SMT also breaking structure to the upside and coming back to trigger also this 15 minutes fair value gap here. And the next trade I took last week was USDCHF, which hit stop loss. Okay, which hit stop loss here. So today we'll be looking at the pairs we'll be trading this week. Looking at the pairs we'll be trading this week. Now, tomorrow is Trump's inauguration as the next president of America. So we really see a strong USD tomorrow. We really see a strong USD tomorrow. So let's see what we get from USDJPY if it's in line with the fundamentals of tomorrow. So USDJPY from the weekly time frame, we can clearly see that price have tapped into weekly fair value gap, which is our internal range liquidity after taking out the external range liquidity here. Now dropping to the 4-hour time frame, we are looking to see that confirmation that will show us that yes, they truly want to take dollar up, alongside with Trump's inauguration tomorrow. So what I'll be looking out for tomorrow on USDJPY, I'll be expecting price to break above this high, to break above, taking out this external range liquidity, and I'm coming back for the internal range liquidity for us to see that up movement, for us to see that bullish movement for this external range here, for this external
Coach.
range here. Yes?
Yes, sir. I said on D1 it's like it came to fill a daily fair value gap there also.
Yes,
Yes, yes, sir.
there's this.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly, sir. Yes, sir.
The stronger the higher the time frame, the stronger the zone. So there is already a fair value gap here on the weekly time frame. That's why I don't bother you checking out this daily time frame because of this weekly fair value gap here.
Okay,
So
okay.
the next thing to do is just go down to the 4 hours
Okay.
time frame. That's time frame alignment. So I want to see price break above
Yeah.
this high, then returning to internal range liquidity here for us to take our longs on USDJPY. So looking at NZD let's see. Okay, now NZD was another trade I took last week, which hit stop loss. Took me out on break even. So here from the daily time frame, okay, here from the daily time frame, we can clearly see that price is still struggling to break away from this daily fair value gap, although we have the close above this daily fair value gap. So I'm just gonna be by the sideline and observe how this is going to close in the next couple of days. Observe how this is going to close in the next couple of days. So NZD card have to move down here. Likewise, AED USD. The next pair here is USDCHF. Let's see what we're going to get from USDCHF. Please, if you're just joining the call now, kindly mute. Now, if you look at USDCHF, we have this external range here that price needs to take out. And also, price is filled up here. So dropping down to the daily time frame, that's what we're going to get from the daily time frame. So this is what I saw when I wanted to go longs on USDCHF last week. The price took out this external range here. Price took out this external range here and is expecting to go longs from this internal range liquidity here. But that didn't really happen. Price closed above it. Now I'm reacting of this other block here. Reacting of this other block here. So dropping down to the 1 hour time frame. Now here on 1 hour time frame, we have this breakout block here, which price have actually respected. This price have actually respected and coming back to respect this fair value gap. So next week, I want to see more impulsive movement. I want to see more impulsive movement to take out this high and possibly leaving us with a fair value gap that is going to be our context into the week. That is for USD CHF. So looking at Euro USD, I'm not sure I really want to trade Euro USD for a period of time now because It's not really giving me a very good clear context throughout last week. Not really giving me a good clear context. Price invalidated this daily fair value gap here, closed above. So I would like to see what is going to happen here. If they will continue delivering price to the downside, I'll actually be happy if they start continue delivering price to the downside. Looking at what tomorrow is, inauguration of Trump, so we'll have to see a strong dollar and a weaker euro, which simply means USDJPY, USDCHF, USDCAD all going to be bullish, while AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD are going to be bearish. So Euro USD for now, there is nothing to look at there. Now USD card, let's see what we're going to get from the USD card. So here on the weekly time frame on the USD card, you can clearly see that price. Is respecting our weekly fair value gap. I thought, yeah, we took this trade together. Because I called it live. So here on the daily time frame, let's see what we're going to get from the daily time frame. So I have two removable drawings. So from the daily time frame, yeah, price taking out this external range liquidity here. We're expecting a rebalance into this daily fair value gap. But this might not actually happen because of tomorrow. Might see a continuation of this bullish movement. I see a continuation of this daily movement. Okay, but if price does come back to this fair value gap, then it's time to go long on USD card. Now, GBP and Euro USD, I'm staying by the sideline for the three of them. So the currency pairs we are looking at tomorrow is USDJPY, USDCHF, and USDCAD. We are all bullish in this space. Let's quickly take a look at gold to see what's happening on gold. So we have been in an awesome ride on gold for quite some time now. Been an awesome ride on gold for quite some time now. So I want to see the continuation of this bullish trend happen on gold. I want to see this continuation until at least we take out this external range liquidity here. Removing all drawings, starting from the monthly time frame. From the monthly time frame, price strongly respecting this monthly fair value gap. Strongly respecting this monthly fair value gap. So dropping down to the daily time frame, right? So the daily time frame, we have price taking out this external range liquidity here. I'll be expecting a rebalance in this daily fair value gap. Expecting a rebalance in this daily fair value gap. Now, something like this is what I'm expecting to happen. Something like this is what I'm expecting to happen here on gold. For us to take out this external range liquidity here. For us to take out this external range liquidity here. So I'm still bullish on gold. So I'm still very, very much bullish on gold. From the monthly time frame. From the monthly time frame, we have this external range liquidity here that I'm expecting gold to take out, expecting gold to get to 2,791. That's another all-time high for gold, is what I'm expecting very soon. Is what I'm expecting very soon on gold. Okay. So these are basically the pairs I'll be looking at this week. I'll go again USDJPY, USDCHF, USDCAD, and XAU USD, which is gold spot USD. So guys, if you have any question on these pairs we talked about today, please kindly ask your question, or if there is any pair you want us to look at, kindly drop the pair on the comments on the chat box so we'll look at it together. I've analyzed with you guys, so drop your own pairs. Let's look at it together. Or if you have any question, we have 4 minutes to go. If you have any question, kindly
Can we
ask
look
you.
at GJ, please?
Sorry?
Can we look at GJ, please? GJ.
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 Okay. All right, GJ. Now I actually added GJ to my radar. Was it last week? GJ and EJ last week, but I chose EJ over GJ. Now this is how GJ played out respecting this internal range liquidity after taking out this external range liquidity. Now the reason why I said EJ didn't really go as planned. Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Okay. So the reason why I said
Loud and clear.
okay, all right. The reason why I said EJ didn't go according to my plan is because this candle here on GJ closed above this my daily fair value gap, and the next day I saw that massive drop on Euro JPY. The same thing happened here on GBP JPY. So this week I want to see a continuation of this down movement. I think I will actually add this to my radar, to my watch list this week. Now we can clearly see that we have this external range liquidity here. That is external range liquidity, and we have this daily fair value gap. Now this daily fair value gap after taking out this. So I'm expecting to see a continuation of this bearish movement on GBP JPY to continue next week. Also taking out this external range liquidity, this sell stop liquidity here. So it's very much in line with our strategy. So I will be adding it to my watch list. Now we have 4 pairs. We have 5 pairs we are looking at this week. We have USDJPY, we have USD Swiss franc, we have USD Canadian dollars, we have British pounds against the Japanese yen, which is GBP JPY, and of course we have gold as well. So these 5 pairs are the pairs we are looking into this week. All right. So do we have any other question?
Coach.
Yes, Wally.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yeah, concerning this GJ, sir, if you go to 4 hours, it's like it's reacting to one other block on 4 hours. So it's like a breaker block to me. Yeah. This left side. No, 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 no. If you zoom out, sir, you will see the block. Yes. No, no, this area.
This?
Where you put the black this block, no, below it. This old cell, yeah. It's like it's reacting to it. So, and it took out liquidity. That's why, yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, what are you seeing here
Yes.
on the daily? What are you seeing here on the daily? Are you seeing anything here on the daily? everything here is filled up on the daily. Remember, the higher the time frame, the stronger the
Yeah.
trend. So everything here on the
Yeah.
daily is filled up. We are left with this external range liquidity here and also this internal range liquidity here. So price coming back for this internal range liquidity to see off this external range liquidity here.
Oh, okay.
That's
Okay.
what I'm
Okay.
expecting.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. What if price never came back to the fair value? Of course, it happens. If price doesn't come back to your fair value gap, you move over to the next trade. You shouldn't force things. It's 101% that price might not come back to our fair value, but we won't go about chasing price. No, we won't go about chasing price. Want price to come to our point of interest before we do anything. So if price never came back to our point of interest, we are not doing anything. All right. So I believe there is no other question. So guys, this is to remind you guys that Capital X10, we've started our educational program again, both the Forex, both the beginners and the advanced class. On Friday, we had physical classes in our offices, both in Abuja and in Lagos. If you're in Lagos, you can visit our office at Agos Building, Allen Avenue, Ikeja. If you're in Abuja, you can visit our office at Abia House Central Area. Both your beginners class and your advanced class, time 9:30 a.m. You can consult your account managers for more information regarding this. All right. So see you guys tomorrow during London session. Do have a wonderful week, everybody. Bye.